In this video, we are going to teach you how to do some plyometric unilateral one-side work with some rotational movements. A lot of times we have to be able to turn and go. So what we want to do is it's a Heidens with a 90-degree rotation. So if you look up our Heidens video, you'll see where we're just kind of going side to side on one leg. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate 90 degrees. So I'm going to start going to the left. So I'm going to land on my left leg and turn 90 degrees to my left. So now I'm like this. All right. And then I'm going to come back 90 degrees to the right. So I will come back to my same starting position. Left, right, left, right. Okay. You can, if you want to get the heart rate up and work on some endurance, you can go fast. Okay. One thing that you see in that one is I lost my balance, and that's okay. We want to work on this until we don't lose our balance. So we want to be able to plant and hold. Plant and hold. Plant and hold. Okay. If you need to make it a little bit smaller, you can use cones if you want. Then you can just go. Okay. But we also want to work on the acceptance, not losing our balance. Otherwise, you won't be able to walk. So go ahead, give that a try. Try that 90 degrees. You can also start on this side, right, left. Okay. Do the distance that's comfortable for you. You do want to push it a little bit, so you're really challenging that balance and that plyometric strength. Go ahead, comment below. Let us know what you think, and we look forward to hearing from you. Take care.